So now, so what is meant by an ACL first? So ACL is nothing but access control list. What it is? ACL is nothing but access control list. Uh, Now, what is the main use of this access control list is like? So basically, we are having a form. This is my form. Let's take for example, this is my table. Okay. So as soon as you create the table, what are all the default things will get created by default?
Create,
Hmm.
delete, table, update, right?
Hmm. As well as created by, updated by, as well
Updated by.
as. Tell me what else? Total thing created. These are all the default fields. Yes or no? Created by,
Yes.
updated by, as well as sysID, as well as updates. Yes or no, ma?
Yes, bro.
Still
Yes.
anything else more than this?
No.
No. One role also will get created. What it is? With the table name, one role also will get created.
Editor
One role will get created.
node created.
As well as another one, 4 ACLs will get created. What is this? 4
ACLs.
access
AC,
ACLs.
access control,
What are the 4 ACLs? Read,
read,
write,
write,
create,
create, delete.
delete. Now, this is a table. Okay. This is my table. As soon as you create the table, these are all gets created, right? In interview, if someone asks, you will say right now, what are all the default things will get created once after table got created? First default fields will get created, and then one role will get created, and 4 ACLs will get created. Okay.
Yes, bro.
Hmm. Now, so my scenario over here is why ACLs are important, because so actually I have one form. Okay, I have one form. In that form, I have some fields. This is one field. Sorry, this is one field. 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 Okay, these are all the fields we are having. So what is the main theme of this using this ACL? Because access controls, why this is very important, because as soon as any user logs in, okay, first what you will be doing, you will be giving the admin and the password. Yes or no? Admin, and I'm giving the password. See, can you see my screen, ma?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I haven't entered into the, still I haven't entered into our theme now. So listen carefully now. So as soon as you enter, first ACLs only it will check. What it will check, ma? As soon as you enter into the service now, first what it will check? It will check for the ACLs. Okay. First the user is trying to log in. As soon as he logs in, first ACLs will get executed. Which one will get executed?
ACLs.
ACLs will get executed. April batch. Till now, what are all the developer topics we have been done? UI policies as well as data policies as well as ACLs today.
ACLs.
ఓకే, అంటే కాన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ చేంజ్ చేసేది. సో డేటా సోర్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి, అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. దోస్ ఆర్ ఆల్, దట్ ఈస్ ఈటీఎల్ అనమాట అదంతా. సో కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ యువర్ పాలసీ, డేటా పాలసీ, ACLs. Okay, so which will work for server side, which will work for client side? ACLs will work for server side. What it is?
Server side.
Server side. Oh, sorry, access controls, ACLs. Access control lists. Now you have done with these three topics. The order of execution now. What it is? Order of execution. First, what it will execute? ACLs. Access controls will get executed, and then UI policy, and then data policy. Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
You're getting my point.
That's not
Order of
okay.
execution first ఏం చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది సర్వీస్ నో?
ACLs.
First ACLs. After that,
UI policies.
after that,
Data policy.
Data policy.
Policies.
if some topics comes in the later on, we will be getting the client script. Okay, we will get the client script option. The order of execution will be like first ACL,
ACL is UI
then
policies, data policies.
client script now. You don't know about the client script, right? That's why I haven't introduced this particular client script. Till now,
Okay.
you know ACLs. After ACLs, you are having UI policies. After then, data policy. Okay, just try to remember like that. Okay, ma. And now ACLs will work for the which side, server side or client side?
Server side.
Server side.
Now I am trying to create a new table now. This I have already created now. Malyadri,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you will join 3 days, right? For the next 3 days. హలో,
సార్
పక్కా జాయిన్ అవుతావు కదా నువ్వు? ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లో చేసేస్తా ఇంకా.
జాయిన్ అవుతా సార్ డైలీ.
అదే జాయిన్ అవ్వకుండా నాకు చెప్పేసి ఫస్ట్.
అదేం లేదు సార్, డైలీ జాయిన్ అవుతా నేను. అప్సెట్ ఏం లేదు.
ఓకే డన్. ఆప్షన్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ అందరు బిస్కెట్ అవుతారు.
లేదు లేదు.
ఓకేనా?
ఓకే ఓకే.
సరే, ఒక్క నిమిషం. Chalo. This is my instance now. Let's try to create one new table, bro. This underscore db underscore object dot list. I'm trying to create a new table with the name of pop-up computers. I'm trying to create one, save. Now I have created the table. So what are all the columns got created? Created by, updated by SSID and updates. If you come now here in the controls, we have got one ACL. Another one we have got we have got one role as well as 4 ACLs.
Yes.
Have you got this point?
Yes.
Is this clear till here? If you are clear till here, then only you will understand, bro. Or else you will not understand this. Okay, now, bro. Yeah, where I have written, bro, somewhere I have written, right? Okay, here it is. Now I am trying to. This is my table, ma. let's assume this is your table. This is your table. So let's assume this is a hop of computers. Okay, this is your hop of computers. And let's take for example, what is the role required to set up the ACLs, ma? What is the role required to set up ACLs?
User role.
Anyone in the class, can you please tell me? To edit ACLs, what is the role I need to have in order to edit this ACL? This is actually read only. Actually, this is in read only. If I want to edit these particular ACLs, what role I need to activate?
Evaluate role.
Right.
Uh-huh. To edit or not, to modify this ACL, this is read only now. We will be doing some settings over here, right? Huh?
Security admin we have to enable.
Perfect. Security admin. Security admin, bro. Correct option is security admin. Why don't you all remember, bro, this security admin option? Do you know that or not? Huh? Why don't you remember the security admin option? Anyone? Everyone? Just tell me why you haven't remembered that. Supraja?
సడన్ గా గుర్తు
వింటున్నారా?
హలో
వింటున్నారా అమ్మ అసలు?
వింటున్నాను సార్.
ఏమో నాకు డౌటే. సెక్యూరిటీ అడ్మిన్ అని నేను గొంతు చీరుకొని ఇలాగా చెప్పానేమో, అయినా మీరు చెప్పట్లే. చెప్పాలి కదా. As you can see, there is a hop of computers and columns are this, controls are this, and all those things got created. I am using my instance, okay, don't get confused. I have again opened my instance, that's all. Now you can see here, hop of computers. Now ACLs, how it will work is like, so let's assume this is my home. This is one home. So as soon as if you want to enter into the home, let's take for example, these are all the 4 rooms. This is a bedroom and this is a master bedroom and this is a hall. This is a hall and this is a kitchen and this is a master bedroom and this is another bedroom. Okay. Now, for each and everything, remove as a hop up. Okay, let's assume this is my home. Okay. This is the home. So as soon as if you want to enter into the home, first what you need to have, let's assume this is a gate. This is one gate. This is one another gate. బ్రో నేను ఏసీఎల్స్ చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా చెప్తా, ఇట్ ఈస్ చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ టాపిక్. కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి, ఓకేనా? ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో అడిగి పిచ్చి లేపుతారు మిమ్మల్ని. ఇది ఓకే. దిస్ ఇస్ అ మాస్టర్ కీ. Now there is one user. Okay, there is one user. He wants to enter into this rooms. First, what he needs to have? Tell me. First, this particular user wants to enter into this home.
The main door.
First, what we need to have? First, main master key he needs to have. So as soon as he is having the master key, what he needs to have? Let's take for example, these are all also having the keys. Okay, these are all also having the keys anamata. Key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. Key 1, key 2, key 3, and key 4. These are all the 4 things we are having. Okay, key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. So now, if he wants to enter into the home, first he needs to have the master key. Okay, once after entering into the master key, first he needs to enter into the hall. Yes or no?
Yes.
After entering into the hall, then he can enter into the kitchen.
bedroom.
If kitchen is also having the key, then he needs to have this key as well. For this one as well, he needs to have the key. For this one also, he needs to have the key. First, we need to have the master key to enter into this one, right? Yes or no? Now, this master key in service now, we need to assume this as a role. Okay. And these are all for all the ACLs. Read, write, create. First, tell me which role is required to set up the ACLs. Again, I am asking. Everyone, please try to report me. Each and everyone, you need to say. Okay, I just need to know your attention over here.
Security admin.
Yeah, Sanno, tell me. Bala, Supraja,
Security admin.
Ajay,
Security admin.
Birzan, Ashok, Pavitra,
Security admin.
Rahul,
Security admin.
Sennu, Sonia.
Security admin.
Sonia, bole.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the role required to set up the ACLs?
Security.
So next time I'm saying, if anyone is not saying this answer now, then that would be a serious warning to you all. Okay. Security admin. Please don't mind if you are thinking badly, but please try to keep a note of it, bro. Don't waste your times. Okay. This is very, very important question, bro. Very important. Okay, this will definitely they will ask the interview in ACL's access controls. Okay. Now, if you see here, if you click on new, I'm trying to create some of the fields over there. Okay. Now, listen carefully now. I'm trying to log in with some user. Let's check the username is Mirzan. Let's try to log in with Mirzan. So if Mirzan logs in, do he have the access to this pop computers? Yes. He's admin, huh? Mirzan is admin? Yeah, he's admin, I guess.
Yeah, he's admin.
Let's go to the user table, sys underscore user dot list. See, bro, this is very confused topic. Don't divert here and there, okay? So let's take, for example, Abraham Lincoln is there, okay? Abraham Lincoln. Let's try to impersonate to Abraham Lincoln. Let's try to check the top of computers are available or not. Is it available, ma? This particular user have access to the top of computers?
No.
No.
See, I'm clicking it. Is that showing, ma?
No.
No, right? Everyone, just raise your hands. This is a very basic. ఇది ఒక్కటి అర్థమైతే మీకు లైట్ వెలుగుతుంది బ్రో మొత్తం టాపిక్ ఓకేనా నౌ సి అబ్రహం లింకన్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ లాక్డ్ ఇన్ హీ ఈస్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు యాక్సెస్ హాప్ అప్ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఈస్ దట్ విజిబుల్ టు హిమ్
No.
why as I said he is the Abraham Lincoln now he tried to log into service now and he is trying to log into this home first what he needs to have
You need to have a role.
role. Now let's try to end user and impersonation. Which role he needed at the time of creation of table? Which role got created? That role needs to add to the whom? Abraham Lincoln. Okay, just check. Hop up. He is administrator. Now he has logged in. Just right click, configure table. If you come down in the controls, we are having an what, ma? Tell me.
You underscore
This is role, user role, right?
User.
Perfect. To whom I need to give, ma?
Abraham.
Abraham.
ఎవరికైతే కావాలనుకుంటున్నామో వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తున్నాం మనం
Okay.
నాట్ ఓన్లీ అబ్రహం లింకన్ ఓకేమా ఓకే పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఎనీ ఇష్యూస్ నౌ
No.
దెర్ ఇస్ నో డౌట్ రైట్ టిల్ హియర్ listen carefully user save it now again try to impersonate to whom
Abraham.
Abraham Lincoln. Let's see now. What is the computer's name?
Computer.
Hop up. No, he have access, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect till here.
Yes.
Now there is some users. Okay, let's try to end the impersonation. Jode Haza, who someone his name is Jode Haza. I am trying to repeat again. Jode Haza. That same thing. Okay, for Jode Haza also I want to give the access. Then what will you do? Now, if you don't mind, can I ask you one thing? ఎవరికి ఏం డౌట్ రాలేదా సార్ మనము ఒక రోల్స్ ఇచ్చినాము ఓకే బానే ఉంది కాకపోతే మనం ఈ కీకి యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా సార్ మరి వాడు ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నాడు ఎట్లా క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని చెప్పి అడగలేదు ఎందుకు బ్రో ఎందుకంటే ఈ కీ లోపల కూడా ఈ మాస్టర్ కీ ఉంటది అన్నమాట మాస్టర్ కీ ఇమేజ్ ఉంటది
Okay.
ఓకేనా inside this particular ACLs as well there will be a master key this master key image untadi see I will tell you see so go to the hop up సింపుల్ గా తీసేద్దాం బ్రో టాపిక్ ని మీరు అసలు అంత కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా తీసుకెళ్ళండి నేను ఓకేనా టేబుల్ సో ఓకే బిఫోర్ దట్ I just wanted to understand your simple knowledge. Okay, so actually he is one user. There are CURD operations, CU or the CURD operations are there. CURD operations in the sense what?
Create, update, read, delete.
Create, update, read, delete. So basically, what is the minimum requirement needs to have to this user to create or update or delete or read? Which one is required first? In access, in order to access this particular hop-up computers or whatever the things, what is the basic thing needs to have? Out of these 4 ACLs, what is the first role and first key I need to give? Read or create or update or delete? As per your understanding, Mirzan, tell me. As per your understanding, this particular user should have a minimum requirement of, out of 4, what is the minimum requirements he needs to have in
Create.
order to access? Create, huh? Mirzan created, okay. Someone else?
Or read, I guess.
First decide and tell me.
Create.
Create.
Okay. Next. Let's see how many will still correct. Next, tell me, yes or no?
All the things, I think, bro.
No. First, I won't give all the things.
Okay. Then maybe
All the things is fine. All the things is used to what? For updation, he needs to have one thing. For reading, he needs to have another thing, right? So, what is the basic thing he needs to have in order to access this?
read.
Say no, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay. Another one? Sonia? You go with read or create?
Yes, sir.
You will go with read or create?
We can create, sir.
You can go with creation. Huh?
Yes.
Saujanya? మినిమం కామన్ సెన్స్ గా ఆలోచించండి బ్రో.
క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా బ్రో.
అవునా అశోక్?
ఫస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి కదా బ్రో ఫస్ట్.
సరే నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని కూర్చోకైతే
ఫస్ట్ రీడ్.
రీడ్ ఉండాలి. క్రియేట్ చేయలేస్తాడా? ఫస్ట్ ఆ టేబుల్ అసలు వాడికి యాక్సెస్ అసలు కనపడట్లేదు, వాడు క్రియేట్ చేస్తాడా? గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్. ఫస్ట్ వాడికి ఏముండాలి? ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ ఉండాలి. కరెక్ట్. ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ చేస్తేనే కదా బ్రో వాడు ఏమన్నా క్రియేట్ చేయాలన్నా అప్డేట్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ ఫస్ట్ అసలు ఆ టేబుల్ వాడికి కనపడాలి కదా. గెటింగ్ మై పాయింట్ అశోక్? నౌ యు గాట్ ఎ పర్ఫెక్ట్ రైట్. అది కథ. నౌ టెల్ మీ. నౌ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ లాగింగ్ ఇన్. ఐఎమ్ ఓపెనింగ్ దిస్ వన్. Read, write, create, delete. For read, what happened here? There is a role option over here. Yes or no?
Yes.
There is a role here. So in that role, what it is there? What is there?
Computers.
This particular role is already assigned to Abraham Lincoln. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is what?
Read.
That's why he can see the table. That's why Abraham Lincoln can see the table. Okay. So write. As Abraham Lincoln can also create a new records, right? Write in the sense edit the records, right? For this one also he is having the role. For this one also he is having the role. For this one also he also having the role. Yes or no?
Yes.
Perfect. Any issues still here? No, right?
No, bro.
No. Very good. Now you understood this one, bro. This key thing. For every key we are having this role. That's why he has having the access. Okay, now
What's the difference between write and create?
write and create. Write is nothing but what? To which one you will be writing? To the existing ones you can write.
Okay.
Write and update and okate ikkada. Write in the sense you are trying to write to the existing one. Create in the sense you are trying to create a new record. Okay, bro. Getting my point?
Yes,
bro.
Mirzan, write in the sense you are trying to update the existing ones, bro.
That, like, if you are giving this role, like master key role for this user Abraham, what will he create?
He will create the new record.
Okay.
If
Okay.
he is giving the right access, then if there are any editing records, he can edit the recorder.
Okay.
And if he wants to delete the records, also he can delete the recorder.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Okay, got it, bro?
Yeah, got it.
Now, see, I want to edit these things, bro. How can I do this? I want to edit these ACLs. What is the role required?
Assign the role.
No, that is
Right.
assigned is perfectly fine. System administrator only are doing that thing, sir. But what I need to enable first?
Security admin.
Security admin, and then click on OK. And then reload the form. See, now I can edit, right? For this one also, now I can edit. Sir, yes or no, ma? This one also I can edit. Okay, ma, you got it?
Bro.
Yeah. Read, write. Now everything is I'm removing. I just wanted to show you the security admin option. That's why I showed you. Now, this is one type of thing. Okay. So now, if you see here, bro, if you see here, this is what? This is known as what? The navigation part of this one is known as what?
Table.
Application menu as well as
Application.
module.
Options.
Application menu as well as module. So for this module, if you click in here, there is a hop-up roles as well over here. At the time of working with application menu, I said I will be saying this particular roles. That means what you understood here, I have a application menu, and in that application menu, I have one role. That means what you understood, bro? The users who is having this particular role can have the access to the admin. If there is nothing, what will happen, ma?
It's an
ఏం లేకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? అసలు కీ లేకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది?
I cannot access, bro.
ఎవ్రీవన్ కెన్ లోపలికి వెళ్తారు. అర్థమవుతుందా బ్రో? అక్కడ రోల్ లేదనుకో,
everyone can access that.
ఎవ్రీవన్ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ కదా. Now, at the time of construction of home, he has created everything without having the door to it. Can he access into the room? ఒక ఇల్లు క్రియేట్ అంటే ఒక రూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిండు బ్రో. ఓకే, ఒక రూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిండు. ఏం చేసిండు అంటే ఒక రూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిండు, 4 సైడ్ కూడా గోడలు పెట్టిండు, ఒక్కడు కూడా డోర్ పెట్టలే. లోపలికి వెళ్ళేస్తాడు వాడు?
No.
No. Yeah. Now see. Now he can enter, right? Now let's try to create a new one. New table. I'm trying to create a new table. How to create a new table? This underscore db underscore.
Object dot list.
New. Have I created one plus over there? No. So I'm trying to create one plus mobiles. See, listen carefully. This time what I'm trying to do, I'm going to the controls, and what I'm clicking on, I'm trying to remove. I'm trying to remove the access controls, and I am saving it. What happened, bro? I have removed it and saved it. So that role got created. Whether the role got created or not.
No.
No.
Whether 4 ACLs got created or not.
No.
No. Okay. No. We don't have any role now. And we don't have any access controls.
ACL.
ACLs. Yeah. He don't have any access and don't have any roles as well now. So now My question is, I don't have this door only. I don't have this door. Can he enter into it?
No.
No, he cannot enter it. Why? Because there is no door. Four sides కూడా గోడ ఉంది దానికి. అసలు డోరే లేదన్న మరి దానికి. ఏసీఎల్స్ అనేది డోర్ లెక్క తీసుకోండి బ్రో. ఓకేనామా? ఏసీఎల్స్ అనేది డోర్ లెక్క తీసుకోండి. Now, I haven't created any doors to it. So that's why now let's try to elevate impersonate to Abraham Lincoln. And one more thing for this application access as well. See, if you click on OnePlus, if you click on this, is there any role assigned to this OnePlus mobiles here?
Oh, no.
No rules.
నో రోల్ కాబట్టి జస్ట్ కనపడుతుంది ఇది అందరికి. ఎవరికి రోల్ అసలు లేదు, ఎస్ఎన్జిఎస్ లేదు కాబట్టి జస్ట్ అందరికి కనపడుతుంది. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఇంపోర్ట్స్ టు అబ్రహం లింకన్. దిస్ టైమ్ వాట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు డూ మా? వేర్ ఐ నీడ్ టు గో?
OnePlus.
OnePlus. OnePlus. So as because there is no role assigned to it, that Abraham Lincoln can access to it. But let's see now. So what happened?
The constraint.
What is the message I'm getting?
Security constraints prevents access to requested page.
Everyone just try to repeat this one. Security constraints prevent access to requested page. Why this is getting? Why I'm getting this? As because we have created the homes, but
No.
I have removed this one, right? Removed the door. That's why he cannot enter into it. Now what I need to do? I need to create a new door and create give this particular door key to whom? Abraham Lincoln. Getting my point or confused? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you confused or okay?
Okay.
సింపుల్ బ్రో. ఫస్ట్ టైం అసలు ఏం తీయకుండా ఎట్లా ఉందో అట్లా క్రియేట్ చేసిన. అప్పుడు జస్ట్ ఆ రోల్ అతనికి అసైన్ చేస్తే సరిపోయింది. దిస్ టైం అసలు రోలే క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు నేను. అండ్ 4 యాక్సెస్ కంట్రోల్స్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు నేను. ఓకేనా? సో నో just go there. OnePlus table, right? Just click on new. As because I'm the admin, I'm having the access. Now go to the user table now. What is the user table? What is the user? Who is the user? Abraham Lincoln. For this Abraham Lincoln, he needs to access to OnePlus table. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So forget about Abraham Lincoln now. We have created some of the groups, right? Some of the users as well. So today call ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ ఉంది బ్రో మనకి? ఫస్ట్ కాల్
Eleven.
11:15.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Testing group, development group, administration group. Testing group. Administration group members are Mahadev and Ashok. Development group members are Pavitra and Saujanya. మిర్జానా అడ్మిన్ ఉన్నాడు బ్రో. అడ్మిన్ తీసేద్దాం ఫస్ట్ యాక్సెస్ మనోడికి. అడ్మిన్ ఉంటే అందరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతారు. మిర్జాన్ ఏంటి అసలు అయితే టెస్టరా? డెవలప్మెంట్. టెస్టింగ్ వాళ్ళకి టెస్టింగ్, అడ్మిన్ వాళ్ళకి administration role. Okay, good ma. See, how many roles I have created in the past? How many roles I have created?
3 roles.
What are all the 3 roles? Administration role,
Testing and
development role,
development.
as well as testing role. 3 roles I have been created. Okay. This time, listen carefully. What I was trying to give is, I was trying to open this particular ACLs. I'm trying to click on new. Okay. So basically, this is known as ACL. What is the table name of ACL?
Sys underscore security and
This underscore security underscore ACL. First time, what I need to take ma? Create a, read a, what?
read.
Okay. So I will go in the reverse order. Okay. I will give the create. Okay now. First I create is. I just wanted to check the system.
Okay.
Okay. I'm giving the creation. Okay. And I'm trying to give the role. I was trying to give to the administration roles.
ఎవరైనా పక్క అంటారా?
Okay. And I'm trying to save it. Create ichna. Okay na. Mirzan, listen carefully. I have given the creator. To whom? Administration role. Who are the admins? Administration role members? Mahadev and Ashok. Let's try to navigate to Ashok. What is the time? What is the thing? 1 plus, right?
Plus knowledge.
What happened? I have given the creator. Till then, he is showing the same issue. What is the issue? Security constraints prevents access to the requested page. Why I'm getting the same issue again? Even if I'm giving
don't have read access.
first, he needs to have the read. Then only he can create. Okay. So now, just come here. I'm converted to read. Okay. Just try to click on save. Administrator role I have given to this role, ACL. Now again try to impersonate to whom? Whom? Ashok. This time let's see. What is that table name?
1 plus.
This time what happened?
He
This
can
time what
access.
happened?
He can access.
He can access, right? He can read. కనిపిస్తుంది కదా రీడ్ అండ్ సేమ్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా ఎస్ ఆర్ నో మా
Yes.
Yes, yes.
కెన్ హీ క్రియేట్ ద న్యూ రికార్డ్
No.
No, you cannot.
వేర్ ఇస్ ద న్యూ బటన్
There is no.
ఓకే వేర్ ఇస్ ద డిలీట్ బటన్ లెట్స్ ట్రై టు క్రియేట్ వన్ record in our 1 plus table now. Exit random password. Now Ashok wants to edit. Ashok wants to create the new records as well. So what I need to do, ma?
Yes, sir.
What I need to do? I need to create one more. చెప్పండి బ్రో, రీడ్ ఉన్నది. ఇంకోటి ఏం కావాలి? వాడు ఇప్పుడు అశోక్ భాయ్
Create
ఎడిట్
కావాలి.
చేయాలి. ఎడిట్ అంటున్నా, క్రియేట్ కొత్త రికార్డ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా. అప్పుడు ఏ టైం
క్రియేట్ అనేది క్రియేట్
క్రియేట్
కావాలి.
ఆప్షన్.
యాడ్ చేయాలి క్రియేట్.
ఇప్పుడు క్రియేట్ ఏం రోల్, ఏ రోల్ కి ఇవ్వాలి?
అడ్మిన్ రోల్ అశోక్.
అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ రోల్. Personate to Ashok. This time let's see.
మొబైల్స్ న్యూ ఆప్షన్.
Came or not?
ఎస్.
యా నో క్రియేట్ ఆప్షన్.
అర్థమైందా? ఎప్పుడన్నా కొంచెం అని అర్థమైందా చెప్తే అర్థమైందామా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా?
ఎస్.
పర్ఫెక్ట్.
ఎస్ ఎస్.
ఇప్పుడు నా సినారియో ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ 3 groups, రైట్? అడ్మిన్ గ్రూప్, డెవలప్మెంట్ గ్రూప్, టెస్టింగ్. ఓకే, administration development group. So now, one second bro, call పట్టుకుంటున్నా. One second. Oh, sorry. So now, if Pavitra tried to access this particular 1+ table, will she have access?
నో,
నో.
Why she don't have access?
బికాస్ వీ హావెన్ క్రియేటెడ్ ఎనీ రోల్ ఫర్ హర్.
No. It's already there na. But we haven't assigned that particular role already. We haven't created another thing.
అసైన్.
రోల్ ఉన్నది, కాకపోతే ఈ రోల్ ఆ ACLs కి అటాచ్ అయి ఉన్నాయా?
లేదు.
అందుకనే యాక్సెస్ ఉండదు అనమాట అమ్మాయికి. ఇప్పుడు చూడు పవిత్రకి వెళ్దాం. పవిత్ర అండ్ దెన్ విచ్ వన్ ఇస్ 1+. ఏమన్నా ఏమకుందా యాక్సెస్?
నో నో
లేదు.
లేదు.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ మనోడు ఉన్నాడు కదా ఇంకోడు, మిర్జాన్కి ఉంటుందా?
ఉండదు.
ఉండదు. ఏందబ్బా, ఏం రోల్ లేదు వీళ్ళకి. టెస్టింగ్ రోల్ ఇయ్యాను నేను. ఓ 1 సెకండ్ అమ్మా, అసలు రోల్స్ తీసేసినామా? సెక్యూరిటీ అడ్మిన్ కూడా తీసేస్తా బ్రో, వీళ్ళకి ఎందుకు? అందరు సేమ్ పేజ్ లో ఉన్నారు కదా, అట్లనే పెడదాం. ఓకే, సో నో టెస్టింగ్ గ్రూప్ లో ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? మిర్జాన్ ఉన్నారు. మిర్జాన్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది అమ్మా టేబుల్?
No,
ఉండదు. నో.
ఎందుకు ఉండదు?
బికాస్ మనం
it was
అక్కడ
not assigned.
గివెన్ యాక్సెస్.
assign చేయలేదు కదా.
Access.
Security access prevent the access to the requested page. Now, and impersonation. Okay, listen carefully now. Try to create 4 ACLs. This is one ACL. Open the table, 1+ table. Create some of the fields. No need of creation of fields. Tomorrow I will tell you. Right click, configure, table. So we are having only 2 ACLs. Create a read. Let's try to create 2 more ACLs. Create read is finished. Another one is write
Right.
and then submit. Create, read, write. Another one is
delete.
Delete.
Now, how many ACLs are there for now?
4.
Configure table. How many ACLs are there, ma? Create, read, write, delete. These are all the 4 ACLs we are having. Is there any confusion till here?
No.
No, right? See, my requirement is like admin group, development group, as well as testing group. 3 are there. Okay. So 3 should read. What it needs to have, ma? 3 users can
Read.
have the access to the table. That means what I need to do now?
Here we have to
Add the roles.
add the
Okay, na?
development role,
Development role,
testing role.
testing role. Okay. ఏమైతుంది ఇప్పుడు?
All these 3 groups can read.
Groups can read. I mean, all the users who are the part of that particular groups can read. Mahadev can access, right? And Pavitra can access. Mirza and Umeshan can access.
Yes.
Okay, let's try to create some of the fields, ma, so that you will understand very clearly. Right, configure. Form layout. Give me some things, bro. Serial number.
Name.
Customer. Customer name.
Contact.
Contact details. Customer name I haven't taken reference, right?
Mhm.
Product type.
Okay. 7 minutes. Before creation, we can change it. No issues. Okay. Data
Product
purchase. Sorry, bro. Okay, serial number, customer name, contact details, data purchase, model type. Issue description, and okay. Yeah. So I'm trying to create some more things over here. Riser 1440346. Model type. I will not give anything else, and later on I will give test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Submitted the record. Bro, I have created the record. What if I have done with the help of personalized list? What if I have done with the list layout? If I'm doing with the help of list layout, then what will it happen? It will
Just
affect
check
to
the all end user up to end user.
all the users in the organization.
Yeah.
Serial number, customer name, data purchase, model type, issue description, contact details, all this. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Okay, Rama. Now, and for 4 ACLs, okay. So this 4 ACLs, I have been assigning this particular thing, right? Right. Just a minute. Let's try to create one more thing over here. 99, 88, 66, 77, 77. Customer name is Abraham. customer details or 9542 866 786. Just it. Okay. Now tell me, bro. Read. To whom we are having the access? To all the three groups.
Three is
The
having
one who is
read
having the admin
access.
role, development role, and this one. Then what about where are the 4 ACLs, ma? Hmm. Read okay. It is okay. Write to, delete to, create. Creation, I just wanted to give to the users who is having the admins only. No. Admins only can create the role. Apart from admin role, no one should create. Okay? Create is nothing but what? Creating a new record, right?
Yes.
Creation of records needs to be done only with whom? With the admins roles. Deleting. Okay. Deleting also, let's do one thing, bro. The developers only can create the records. What I'm saying, developers only can
Can
create the new records. Deleting is there, right? Deleting only should have access to only admins only. And the write access should have access to only admins and administrators as well as developers. You are getting my point. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes.
సుప్రజ,
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు ఇంపర్సనేట్ టు రీడ్ అందరికి ఉందా?
రీడ్ అందరికి ఉంటుంది.
డిలీట్, రైట్, రీడ్ ఎవరెవరికి ఉంది?
అన్ని 3 roles.
అందరికి ఉంది. 3 groups.
ఇప్పుడు నేను అబ్రహాం లింకన్ తో అబ్రహాం అంటున్నా. ఇప్పుడు నేను మహాదేవ్ తో లాగిన్ చేస్తే కనిపిస్తుందా? అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ కి ఉంటదా అమ్మా? ఉంటదా ఉండదా?
రీడ్ యాక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది.
Read
రీడ్ యాక్సెస్ ఉంటది. ప్లస్ ఓకే, చూస్తున్నాడు. క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఉందా ఆయనకి?
లేదు, న్యూ
ఎందుకు లేదు న్యూ?
మనం అక్కడ వాళ్ళని యాడ్ చేయలేదు రోల్స్ లో.
రీడ్ ఉంది కదా.
రీడ్ ఓన్లీ క్రియేటెడ్ రీడ్.
మరి డెవలపర్ రోల్ ఎవరికి ఉన్నది? పవిత్ర లాగిన్ చేస్తే ఉంటదా? క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఉంటదా ఆమెకి?
Yes.
క్రియేట్ ఉంటది కదరా. ఇక్కడ పెట్టినా కదా క్రియేట్ కి పవిత్రని యాడ్ చేసినాం మనం.
ఓకే, పవిత్రకి క్రియేట్.
పవిత్ర ఏమేమి చేయలేదు? డిలీట్ చేయలేదు పవిత్ర రికార్డ్ ని.
ఓన్లీ క్రియేషన్.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా అర్థమైందమ్మా మీకైతే. ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ 1+? ఇంకా చాలు బ్రో, క్లాస్ వాళ్ళకి ఓకేనా? మీరు అందరు ఇంట్లో అంటారు. సో హీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ద రికార్డ్, హీ కెన్ update the record, but can she delete it?
No.
Who can delete it? Delete ఎవరు చేస్తారు?
Admin.
అడ్మిన్
రోల్ చేస్తారు. అడ్మిన్ రోల్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు?
అశోక్.
అశోక్ చేస్తాడు. చూద్దాం. క్రియేట్ చేయలేస్తాడా మనోడు న్యూ రికార్డు?
No.
ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ లేడు కదా ఆయన క్రియేట్ లో.
Create already, yes.
అందుకని
You can delete only.
కెన్ హీ డిలీట్?
Yeah, you can delete.
డిలీట్. ఓకే,
Yeah.
ఐఎమ్ డన్ ఫర్ ద డే. టుమారో లెట్స్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా మస్తు ఉంటుంది క్లాస్ రేపు. సో జస్ట్ ట్రై టు రిమెంబర్, ఓకే? జస్ట్ ట్రై టు సీ దీస్ క్లాసెస్ అండ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టుమారో అగైన్. Why? Because a little bit of confusion will happen tomorrow. So basically, we are having 3 groups, right? 1, 2, 3. 1,
In
3.
test admin,
Administration group,
development group, testing
development
group,
group as well as
testing group.
testing group. Okay. So now administration group, development group and testing group. Administration నుంచి ఒకరిని చూస్ చేసుకుందాం బ్రో మనం ఇప్పుడే. ఎందుకంటే రేపు పొద్దున మనకు ఊరికే వాళ్ళకి వీళ్ళు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయిపోతుంది కదా మనకి.
Already create చేసిన కదా bro.
అదే దీంట్లో అశోక్ ని తీసుకుందాం. అడ్మిన్ అంటే మళ్ళీ మహాదేవ్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు కదా. అశోక్ ని తీసుకుందాం. ఓకే, 1 minute.